Let me put it a little bit more like on my temples here. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I look like a baby doll. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing like some kind of like soft glam, holiday glam makeup tutorial. I hope you guys are excited because I am. And yeah, that's what we're doing today. So basically, this is my first, well, it's not my first, but like it's been a while since I did a talk through video. Usually, because you guys don't know that, but usually when I film a makeup tutorial, I film like at 11 at night, 12, and then I finish at like 1, like 2 in the morning. That's why I've been doing a lot of voiceovers, but today I got time to do it during the day, so I thought I would talk to you guys live. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be really like just a smoky eye with a bold lip. You guys will see like what I have in mind. Yeah, I'm looking a little bit rough, and not because I don't mind having no makeup on, but I've been breaking out a lot lately. Yeah, I used a product that I wasn't supposed to use, and that's what happened. So yeah, that's what we're working with. I already have my brows done. I already have a bit of concealer, but I want to actually prime my eyes. I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade Golden Honey. I'm just gonna put a little bit because I actually like how it's kind of opaque, so I like it as a base on my eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna do this, and we're just gonna blend it out. And if you guys see me looking that way, it's because I have my Turkish show on. So I'm just looking, it's muted right now, but I already seen it, so I don't mind. I just watch the images. What's going on? I love Turkish show. I don't know if you guys do too, like ever watch any. There's a lot on YouTube, but the only thing is, if you watch it on YouTube, there's no subtitles. So yeah, that's the only downside. So I have to like find it on like online on those like black market kind of websites to make sure that like I can have some subtitles so I can understand what they're saying. So I'm just gonna set my eyes with some Lower Mercier. I know they say not to set it, but this concealer is so sticky that I don't have a choice. So next, I'm gonna start the look. So today I'm using a palette that I already use a lot actually on my channel, but it's such like a good everyday palette. And for what I have in mind, I'm just gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use my Amrezy palette with Anastasia. Yeah, it's just the perfect like everyday palette. If you want a smoky eye, got it. If you want a bright eye, got it. You want a glittery eye, got it. Like, it's just the best. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my big blending brush as usual, and I'm going to use the shade New Yorker. That's right here. So we're just gonna put it all over the crease and blend it. Okay, so now that we have a crease color, the only thing the palette doesn't have that I wish it had was more like a really like warm kind of brown. The brown that she has is too dark basically. So I'm gonna go into my Orange You Glad palette, and I'm going to use the shade You Feel Me. I know it's pretty dark, but on me it gives me like a burnt orange kind of look. So I'm just gonna use I'm just gonna use the same brush, and yeah, we're gonna do the same thing. We're just basically gonna put it on top of wherever we already blended the crease. Like the shadow we put before. I don't know what to talk. I can't talk today. So just like this. See how burnt it looked? Like really like a burnt orange. That's what I want. That's what I want. So yeah, today it's really going to be like a really soft glam. It's really easy to do. I don't know how it is in wherever you guys live, but here they basically just canceled Christmas for us. So we can't really go anywhere. We can't do anything. We can't like be with our families. Like, I only thank God that like I live with my mom, and then I can actually be with her on Christmas and New Year's, so at least for that, but I won't be seeing the rest of the family, so that's a kind of a bummer. As much of a loner that I am, like, I enjoy Christmas time. But one of my sisters, she lives alone, she's always home, she works from home, everything, so she's probably gonna come over It's just that we're trying to be really, really careful. I'm not gonna go into the whole thing because it just sucks basically. Next, I'm going to use the shade 1988 from the Amrezy palette, and I'm going to use a smaller blending brush. I'm gonna put it again in the crease, but more deeper into the crease. So I'll just take a little bit by a little bit, and yeah, I'm just gonna put it in the outer corner here. Actually, you know what I was supposed to do? I'm gonna go back to my Orangey Glad palette. I'm gonna take my big blending brush, and I'm gonna put You Peel Me all over the lid. Doesn't have to be like super pigmented, just to have like a wash of color on the lid, so that after that, when the outer corner is like dark, you kind of have like a contrast, and it's just not the concealer just sitting there. Okay, so like I said, going into 1988 from the Amrezy palette, my small blending brush, just tap a little bit, tap it, and I'm going to do the outer corner, just deepen the outer corner. So I'm basically gonna go from the crease here to here and then darken here, and that's it. So if you're like me and you find that like it's not dark enough, you can always go into the shade either Yugo or BK, but I think I'm gonna use BK. Just a little bit, just like really just like a smudge. Basically just like one dip. Tap it and just darken like this, really the V here. You can see, maybe that just here. It won't really do anything. It's really like just for you if you find it's a bit too, it's not dark enough, if you see. Okay, so your eyes should look something like this, just smoky, but really like kind of soft, not too much. So next I'm going into the shade Liddy, which is this one. It's a pressed glitter, so just mind that. I'm gonna use one of her brushes, so I'm just gonna like put it on the lid here. I don't want to put too much. I just want to put like a little bit so that there's just a little bit of glitter, just a little bit. So I'm just gonna tap it. Glitter is so nice. It's like gold. There's a bit of like pink, rose gold. I don't know. What is really cute. It's cute. It's not too much. I like that. Oh, it's so cute. It's my first time using this one. So nice. Do you guys see that? Oh my god. Let's finish the eyes. So I'm gonna use my Epic ink liner. So I'm just gonna do a line so that like where I put my lashes, there's no gap basically. I'm not doing a wing liner. If you guys want to, go ahead, be my guest. I actually think it will look really, really good. But I don't feel like doing it today. So I'm gonna use a little bit of mascara. I'm gonna use my Better Than Sex sample mascara. I'm just gonna do the top lashes for now. Okay, so I have my lashes on, and yeah, so we're gonna go into the face. So I already moisturized my face with my Origins Ginzing moisturizer, oil-free energy boosting gel moisturizer. I talked about this in my last haul. Yeah, I really love this stuff. Yeah, so you can see my face is already moisturized. So I'm gonna prime my face with the oil and shine control today. I'm gonna put a little bit on my T-zone, just a little bit, really just like here, my nose, and here, a little bit here. Next, I'm gonna use my Smooth and Blur primer by Smashbox again. I'm just gonna put it over. So I just put a little bit on my forehead, like this. And the rest I just put on my cheeks. So foundation today, what am I gonna use? Okay, I'm gonna use my Maybelline 340, but I wanna mix it with something that's more moisturizing. So I'm gonna mix it with my Dream Urban Cover foundation. I really like this foundation. It's not necessarily long wearing, but it's really good. Oh, it's really good. We'll start blending. So next I'm going to conceal. So I'm gonna use my Can't Stop Won't Stop. I'm not gonna use a lot. I know I used to use a lot, but lately I just put like a little bit here, a little bit here, and maybe here, maybe. And I put a little bit here just to clean a little bit my like my eyeshadow, and that's it. I know I used to do like all that, but I've changed. I'm a changed woman. So I use my small blending, it's like a, what's it called? Expert concealer brush to blend out my concealer. I find it's really nice. It's just like, it takes time. See how well it's blended with a brush? It's just like, sometimes I don't have time to do all this because it takes time to like blend it out. Next, I'm going to set it, and I guess I'll use my Can't Stop Won't Stop banana powder. And we're just gonna set. This is done. I'm gonna bronze my face, and I think I'm gonna use Coco Naughty by Fenty. Believe it or not, I had it in my collection for like about a year now, but I never used it. Don't ask me why. I don't know. Weird like that. So it looks like this. Yeah, I'm gonna try it and see what it's about. Like, you guys know I don't put a lot of bronzer, but I like bronzer. Believe it or not. I guess it's nice. Honestly, it's nice. It's not something you guys will see, like, it's not that bright. I don't put a lot of bronzer, like I said, but it looks really nice. It's like kind of warm. It looks almost the same as my Bobbi Brown. It's just this one seems a bit more warm. Also, this one I feel like it's like really hard for you to make a mistake because it applies so softly and just like a little bit by a little bit. And yeah, I've been like really like being picky on to put it on, and it's like I think it's really hard to like make a mistake with this. So I really like it. It's really pretty. It looks really nice. Oh, I like it. Okay, so I'm just gonna set my cheeks, carve my cheeks a little bit, because I always tend to like go down a little bit. So I want to make sure like my cheeks are still there, I should say that. And I'm going to bake a little bit just here where I get oily, a little bit under the eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna finish the eyes now. Oh, I didn't put blush. I'll put it after. So yeah, we're just gonna finish the eyes. So we're gonna go back to my to the Amrezy palette, and I'm going to use a smudger brush like this. So first, let's go into the shade 1988. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it all over. Yes, yeah, you're gonna smudge it out. I don't want to put too much because it's still, I still want to keep the eyes kind of soft. And with the same brush, you can just like turn it, and we're gonna go into the shade BK, the black shade, and we're just gonna smoke out the outer corner, just so like the top lid and the lower lash line kind of connect. You can always go into like the brush we used before, the small one. I'm not gonna add anything and just blend everything. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of mascara that we had before, Glitter Than Sex. So the eyes are basically done. If you want to add more glitter after the lashes, it's up to you. But for me, like, I think it looks really good that way. So right now I'm just gonna take off the bake. I'm just gonna finish the face basically. We're almost done. So just wanna take it off. Take it off. So I'm gonna use my Morphe palette. So you guys seen it in my haul. It looks like this. So I'm gonna use this one and a little bit of this. Oh my god, it's so pigmented. I didn't know. Oh shit. Okay, let me see. Oh god-y. It's my first time using it, by the way, guys. Like, I didn't think it was gonna be that intense. Oh, it's so cute though. Let me try the other side to blend it. Oh my god. I love it. Oh, it's so nice. Yes, I went heavy-handed, but it's so cute. Holy shit, I love it. Anyways, let's go and do something else. So this is my blush. I really love it. So next I'm gonna use my Master Chrome Maybelline in Molten Gold to highlight my face. I don't want to put a lot of highlight, just a little bit. And I'm actually gonna use my Artist Couture highlight. I never used it yet. You guys seen it in one of my hauls. Yeah, it looks like this. I'm just gonna use the same brush, get a little bit. I just want to use it as a topper, so I'm just gonna add a little bit on top of my, you see how shiny it is? Just put it on the highest points, just a little bit, like this. And next I'm gonna use just a little bit of my setting powder with a big fluffy brush, just a little bit, just on my cheeks here, just kind of set everything. I know I'm supposed to do that before my highlight, but I forgot. Usually I use it whenever I'm taking off my bake, just to kind of set my face all over. And this one has a little bit of color, so it's nice. So it just kind of sets and make my face like super smooth. So the face is done. So now we're down to the lips, the last step. I'm gonna do a red lip because it's Christmas. Yeah, so I'm gonna use my Cork lip liner by MAC. So I'm gonna use Seraphine by Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick. So yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like change, do my hair, and come back to show you the final look. Let's do that. I did change, I put on a vest, which you guys can't even see, but whatever. I have to film another video right after, so if you see me with the same makeup on another video, that's why. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm just gonna do a little close-up for you guys. So these are the eyes. So you see it's really soft glam, a little bit of glitter. It's really nice. I really like it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've really been missing talking to you guys like as I'm doing my makeup. I really enjoy it, so I'm gonna try to do it more, but that means the video is gonna be a bit longer than my voiceovers, just so you guys know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I really like it. I think it's really cute. And yeah, so I'll just see you in the next one. And thank you to everybody who likes, comment, and subscribe. Of course, I always appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. You guys are the best. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.